Namaskar, a very good evening from India to one and all. I dip gratitude for offering me this golden opportunity to participate in this grand and glorious program and to speak about the dance education in India. My gratitude and respect goes to the President Alkis Raftis, all the dignitaries, members of CID and all dance professionals. When the theme here is a dance education, the word dance should be clarified. Dance means a series of steps and movements that match the rhythm of the music, and it requires thorough preparation of mind and body, which again controlled and combined with spirit. So the dancer enjoys the divinity of mind as well as feel the bodily energy enables one to dance. On the other hand, education is a process of facilitating learning, acquisition of knowledge, skills, values, morals, and beliefs. This method includes teachings, trainings, discussions, workshops, researches, and in India, the scenario is very nice that dance education opened a new horizons everywhere. Dance is included both in government and non-government schools and colleges as a principal subject along with academics. Many universities, in fact, many universities opened their wings where especially fine arts and visual arts are dealt as and taught as a principal subject, and from where one can secure the bachelor degree, even the master degree, even enabled to do the research work and to be independent. Through dance education, people come to know about their cultural heritage, both in the field of classical and folk, which are our national resources to communicate across barriers of languages, classes, and cultures. Government is organizing different types of festivals here in different tourist spots in different corners of India to educate and aware people about their diversified culture and the culture of India. On the other hand, arranging such festivals indirectly brings good revenues to the government. Dance education is used as nourishing the psychologically imbalanced and disordered patients, a common method in many hospitals now and rehabilitation center. And dance therapy, in fact, dance therapy heals faster than medicine. So dance education is used in the medical purposes in India, in orphanage, in correctional centers, and in many hospitals. Both print media and electronic media takes a vital role here in India to aware people by hosting, highlighting, assessing, evaluating events of different dance productions featuring social relevant issues, offers dance art as a service to the society and therefore by the nation. And Indian dance education, in fact, a system in Indian dance system was Gurukul oriented, means learn from Guru by staying at Guru's house. But in today's era, now the system has changed a little bit because of time scarcity. The students cannot go and stay to Guru's house for many hours, and so the instead that oral system of learning, workshop system of learning is initiated in this field. Now dance education is both practical and theoretical, including all the genders. In the pandemic year 2022 had found innovative ways to come together with this modern developed technology, and dance education through workshops, programs, lecture demonstrations, everything were possible virtually. And it was amazing that virtual world has done for us globally in making the world a smaller one. And before conclude, I must introduce myself, what the etiquette of the CID has told us before we join. I must introduce myself. I'm a Kathak dance exponent from India. I'm an A-grade dancer and a recipient of Government of India scholarships and junior fellowships twice. And I have represented India to in the cultural exchange program sponsored by ICCR to South Korea and Vietnam, and traveled and toured extensively Europe, USA for my workshops, dance programs and lecture demonstration. I'm a PhD scholar and gold medalist and master of dance. And I'm a PhD scholar and my subject is a very interesting one, that the contribution of the Nach girls in resurrection and preservation of the Kathak community and their present role in the society and the dance culture, and which is very consistent, which is very important subject who deals with the Kathak subject. And in the conclusion, I must say that I express hope that the spirit, tools, techniques and teaching of Indian dance will be gradually and increasingly appreciated by the international communities at large, because dance education, what I feel in this respect, that during this my tenure of my performing art experience, dance education has the power to eradicate negativities with its unique power, already serving an useful vehicle of hope, positivity, and on top of that, to bring re-life. Namaskar. Again, thank you all of you for giving me this wonderful opportunity here.